Hybridge is your dedicated partner for full arch restoration excellence. We specialize in transforming complex cases into healthy new smiles through a blend of cutting-edge technology and artistry. Our state-of-the-art facility is equipped with the latest advancements to deliver exceptional patient outcomes. We've streamlined the full arch process with a digital workflow that seamlessly integrates into your practice. Our expert team provides comprehensive support from initial consultations to final restorations. We initiate the process with your patient's digital records, developing a detailed surgical plan with AI-assisted smile design. Hybridge's proprietary Exact surgical guided system combines precise surgical guides with the advantage of immediate provisionals for a seamless surgical experience. Approximately 3 weeks after implant placement, you'll provide us with a new intraoral scan. This allows for AI-driven refinements, resulting in a perfectly passive final prosthesis after just one visit. Our skilled technicians craft durable, aesthetically pleasing prosthetics. Experience the Hybridge difference: predictable results, exceptional service, and unwavering commitment to your success. Our world-class prosthetics are trusted by hundreds of dentists for their durability, adjustability, aesthetics, and ease of cleaning. Let Hybridge handle the complexities of full arch restorations while you focus on patient care. Partner with Hybridge for a truly exceptional full arch experience.